If you've been thinking about becoming an enrolled agent, now is the perfect time to start studying with our brand new EA Ultimate Pass package, the most comprehensive enrolled agent exam preparation course on the market. In this 3-part review course, which is 100% aligned with the special enrollment exam content outlines, otherwise known as the C exam, your studies will be guided by our award-winning adaptive learning technology. What this means is that once you complete an initial assessment, our adaptive tech algorithm learns what content you need to focus on more and focuses your studies on your weak points. Our software also has an optional linear feature, so you can study all of the content from start to finish. The EA Ultimate Pass study materials include over 1,800 multiple choice questions with full text explanations for answers, free automatic content updates, over 25 video lectures on critical topics, and printed textbooks and flashcards to use throughout your studies. What makes the EA Ultimate Pass so special is the option to get one-on-one virtual coaching from an EA exam expert, audio lectures for every exam section, and you'll have ultimate customer support where you'll get responses to technical and content-related questions within 1 business day. Best of all, with the EA Ultimate Pass, you'll have access to 2 additional surgeon courses, one being a supplementary Excel course to help reinforce your skills, and the other is a 2-hour ethics course where you can earn 2 EA compliance credits. Visit our website to learn more about our EA Ultimate Pass, then sign up for a free trial to get a feel for our amazing EA review software.